Since IREN has shown great bullish price action with the volume to back it up, it could capitalize on this momentum to stretch for the 60s to end the month. Though keeping this steep incline well into May wouldn't be that realistic without some major data center catalyst to sustain the enthusiasm. That being said, as long as price can stay above the 40 range, eventual entry into the 60s on a shallower slope could also be in the works, given broader tailwinds blowing IREN ahead. Because it's currently benefiting from strong momentum in AI and high-performance computing infrastructure sector, prompting positive anticipation of its upcoming earnings report on May 7th, as well as the break over the established downtrend line, which has threatened short interest to create potential for a short squeeze, where heavy bearish positioning could unwind, adding upward pressure as sentiment shifts more positive. Out in space, Sidus is advancing its Fortis command and data handling system, a modular platform designed for scalable, high-performance use across space and defense missions. Built on open architecture standards, Fortis integrates radiation-tolerant processing, high-speed data capabilities, and flexible configurations, drawing on flight experience from earlier LizzieSat missions. A collaboration with Microchip Technology strengthens the platform by incorporating space-grade components that reduce complexity and speed development. On top of that, the partnership with Lone Star Data Holdings was expanded to deliver an additional StarVault orbital data storage payload, supporting the growth of space-based data infrastructure as demand increases. Adding to renewed bullish sentiment after a $58.5 million stock offering to support working capital and operations. Prompting further optimism falling towards 3 can be the start of a bounce onto a shallower incline, given that price also made an expected correction after a sharp short-term incline towards previous highs. Around $3 is also where most volume was concentrated during the last uptrend. On the other hand, Ouster is getting bitten by classic bearish candles at clear resistance, with sufficient volume over 2 million to deny a rapid advance into the 30s and fuel fast falling in the short term, making a retracement to 24 more likely heading towards the next Fibonacci time zone pair. Regardless, legions of long-term Ouster acolytes look on with indifference, or at least bite their tongues to avoid screaming ouch, because Ouster is gaining strong momentum as investors respond to its return to profitability, accelerating revenue growth, and expanding role in physical AI, where sensors and software enable machines to perceive and act in real-world environments. A key driver is rapid adoption of its software-attached solutions, with deployments now exceeding 1,200 global sites and bookings doubling, signaling growing recurring revenue potential across infrastructure, logistics, and security markets. Ouster is strengthening its position through major contract wins, including large-scale smart traffic deployments, such as a 30-plus intersection rollout in Atlanta and broader expansions across U.S. cities. These projects highlight increasing demand for AI-powered infrastructure solutions that improve safety, traffic flow, and real-time analytics. Ouster's integration of Stereolabs technology is further enhancing its perception stack, adding advanced imaging and depth capabilities for robotics and industrial automation. New products like the ZX Nano camera support high-performance data capture and low-latency AI processing, expanding Ouster's reach into robotics and edge AI applications. Combined with partnerships leveraging high-performance computing platforms and growing enterprise adoption, Ouster is building a scalable ecosystem that blends hardware, software, and AI. While macroeconomic risks remain, its shift towards software-driven revenue and expanding use cases in smart infrastructure and automation are key supporting factors in the long run. Likewise, Tempus AI aficionados are looking past its recent downturn because of its healthy socializing, creating concrete connections like its major partnership with the Keck School of Medicine of USC and Keck Medicine of USC, which will integrate Tempus AI platform across a large clinical network serving over 1.5 million annual patient visits. This collaboration focuses on embedding genomic testing into care, improving clinical trial matching, identifying care gaps, and accelerating research by linking data, AI, and clinical workflows. Tempus is also expanding its diagnostics capabilities through a partnership with Predicta Biosciences. Their co-developed GenoPredicta assay combines whole genome sequencing with advanced tumor cell detection to deliver highly sensitive cancer insights, enabling earlier detection, improved risk assessment, and reduced reliance on invasive procedures. Tempus continues to build scientific credibility, with dozens of research presentations at the AACR Annual Meeting 2026, highlighting discoveries in cancer biology, biomarkers, and treatment response using its large multimodal dataset. Additionally, it launched an automated clinical update system that continuously refreshes treatment recommendations as new therapies and guidelines emerge, helping clinicians make more timely, evidence-based decisions without requiring new patient samples. So, although its stock price has tumbled, the recent double bottom over its IPO price range and break over the established downtrend line have renewed bullish sentiment. Even though the chart has gone neutral to bearish over the past 2 weeks. So far, selling volume has been at average or below average levels, making a dip into the 40s possible, but unlikely to drive lower for longer if it doesn't get back closer to at least 6.5 million.